Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, March the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 8255. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, always 24. Yeah. And before I start, I always, 24, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s. 4 4s. Alright. How about the 5s? 1 5. 2 6s. 3 6s. Correction. 2 7s. 3 4 8s. Alright. And 3 9s. So the 4s, the 9 and the 4s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Yes. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So no column between. The middle column, no. Only place level 4. Should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, no. Only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 4. 4 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 and should be there. 4 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about 8? 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 8 should be there. Wow. 8 8. 8. Come on, come on. 8. 8 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 6 6. Well, in this row we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 marks. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6. I believe, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 3. We have a 7 and 3 in this column, so no 7 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. Here also 1 and a 5. Left. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left on the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left on 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. Only place left on 8 should be there. Alright, now 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, and now. No, 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 no. You're thinking. Four missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the middle column. Should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this middle column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me mark those. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes there. Need a 5 here, okay. Well, yeah, I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Thinking. Need a 1 here. Well, in this second row, the 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Alright. 9, 7, 6. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 here, 5 there. That means in the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row above, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. Alright. 8, 8. 4, 4, 4. Nope, 4, 4. 8, 8. Need a 9 here. 9, 9, 9. 3, 3. Yeah. 3, 3, 3. I'm thinking. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So here 2 and 3 are left. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for the mass. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 to 5, we have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here, on there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here, on there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. No. Yeah. 1 and 5. 1, 5 and the 2. 5. Yeah. Thinking. 8. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 in these two boxes. Here's 6 in this row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay. So 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there, no 4 could be here, could be there. And we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last one, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 6, 8, 4, okay. That means these two missing numbers should be the 7 and the 9. Yeah. Alright. So 1 number is left in this big square. 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. And it needs a 2 there. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I've marked this box with 7 or 9 here. 2, 7, and 9. We have a 9. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. This cannot be a 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 7 or 8, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So 7 or 9, we have a 9 now in the third column, so no 9 here. The 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Need 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 number left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Are these two missing numbers? These two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Then 1 and the 6, we have a 1 now in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 2 numbers left in the last row. No. 4 in the 6. We have a 6 now in the last row. So this can be 6 anymore. This box will be a 4. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes here. Alright. 8 in this row. Last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.